Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode on Flex Design. Today, we're going to be talking about Graph and how to create web pages with Graph using Reclaim Cloud. So, essentially, what Graph is a CMS system. CMS stands for Component Management System, which allows you to edit or create new web pages, basically. Graph is also a flat file platform, which means that whatever you see or whatever text you see is recorded in a text file. It doesn't have a database running in the background like SQL or MongoDBS. So whatever you see is whatever you get. It's also a markup language that helps change certain components into HTML or CSS uh, performance. So today, what we're going to be talking about is how to install Grav with Reclaim Cloud and how to create a web page on Reclaim Cloud and also on the Grav web page. So to do this, you have to have an account with Reclaim Cloud. So this is my account for Reclaim Cloud that I created. They have a free trial and they also have a paid version, but this is a good site to start creating websites or having a server. So to do this, you have to go to Marketplace, go to Applications, Content Management, install Grav, and once you install Grav, it appears here, and it also shows you a pop-up of a URL to the Grav administration and also a URL to uh, uh, the Grav websites to certain things that helps fundamentals that helps when you're creating your web page. I would suggest you take a screenshot of your URL, administration, and password because for some reason I lost mine my first try. So when you look over here, I have to grab applications running. One of them is for Reclaim Cloud, and one of them is based on the Graph platform. So I'm going to show you how to do it on both because unfortunately I had to do it on both platforms. So on Reclaim Cloud, to do this, we're going to start with this one. So you click on your Grab, you come to applications, and you come to log. So not log, sorry. You come to configure. Down with configure, you go to web root, click on root. Over here, you go to user. I suggest you save user as one of your favorites so it appears here. So once you come back next time, it's easier to find. Also save pages too. And over here, these are folders that are basically going to be the web pages for your website. So within the folder, to add contents to it, all you have to do is click on settings, click on new file, and add over here. And with the new file, you will be able to add your content within it and save. Once you save, you click on the URL for your Grav, and it opens your web page right here. So that is how to do that on Recon Cloud. And now to do that on the Grav platform, once you sign in with your administration and your password, it opens this for you. So right here, you go to pages. It is so easy to create new folders too, or new web pages on here. All you have to do is click on add, type in the name and the name of your web page that you want to do. Unlike Reclaim Cloud, if you wanted to create, it's very case sensitive. One thing I noticed that if you wanted to create a web page folder, so let's say uh, pros and cons, you have to keep this in order. You have to name them in order, and also it doesn't allow for certain characters to be added to the name of the folder, but in the graph, this thing, you'll be able to add it like the one I did over here. So in order to add contents within this, you click on it, and right here is where you add your content. So similar to what we did, Grav also has certain syntaxes that helps with like bolding and stuff, and like italicizing. It, uh, to learn more, you have to go to their webpage. So I included this in the link over here. So one difficulty that I found when I was making this with the Reclaim Cloud was adding images. I wasn't able to add images, but when you come here to this page, to add an image, all you have to do is click, look for your image, upload, and drag it on here, and it automatically autofills the syntax that is needed to uh, create the page on your website. It does this with these headers too over here too. So yeah, always remember to save. And once you save, you could click here to open a link to your webpage and see how it looks. So right here, you see what we did. And in later, I'm going to include the link to the video over here too. All right. Thank you for watching Flex Design today. Appreciate it. Bye.